bahala.
Eh, bahala rin yan.
Bahala. And open up your mouth just like you did. Say ah. Ah. There we go. There we go.
That was
There
good.
you go.
How dare you?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, like that, half his head. So when the fish comes after him, there you go.
Oh, he's mad.
Okay, Grammy's turn.
Do it. It feels cute. It's like Charlie. Oh my god, do this one. Let me do this one.
Oh, hang.
I don't know.
Put him on.
You have to get closer.
I can't do it.
It wasn't.
That's crazy. Oh, right behind my beautiful daughter is a Florida panther that wants to eat her and has been bounced.
Wait, listen.
He's like, this isn't funny anymore because they already got my number.
These are ginormous.
Oh my god, that's so weird.
You see fishy in there?
Hey, du Scheiße!
That was funny. Wave, Damus. Wave to him.
That's your sister.
Are you getting this on video?
He's like,
Put your food out there.
get closer. Who are these guys? Gibbons. Why did they go? Oh!
Yo, skinny.
Just give him some grease and oil scalp for you.
Yep, better.
Got that one.
It's so funny.
What you doing, dear?
No, show a picture, show a video of her too.
I know.
Alright, move it over. Let Kendall hold it.
Okay.
Here you go. You want it?
Smile.
All right, we get it. It's enough.
Are you okay? Somebody help him.
Oh, wait, Mom. He's trying to eat your nose. Oh no, poor thing.
What the heck? Okay, hold on. Okay. What?
It does not like you.
Go, Lindsay. Lindsay, go. Do it.
Okay. Ready?
Not funny.
Feed him, Ava. Here, you're with your hands, baby.
What's my hand?
The bucket is not gonna. No, move the bucket. They're gonna take the bucket from you. Give me the bucket.
Girl, you making him get tight on my neck, bro. You might want to get your hair pieces because they kind of look good. Hey, I like the way you move that tail, boy. It's okay. My tail. Ooh! Get him.
Does my hair look okay? My name is Llama. Does my hair look okay? My picture.
Can't see you if you do that. You're shaking. Don't move. Go ahead and take that picture, Don.
Oh my god. Casey,
Casey,
I
it's
don't like squirrels.
Don't move, Casey.
He's eating something.
I don't like squirrels.
What happens when he's done eating?
Whoa.
Izzy got you good.
Lyric. Do it again.
No, we turn around. Watch it. Look at
It likes your butt.
Look at it.
It's mesmerized.
No, you don't stop.
Keep it.
Try again.
Kiss him, bro.